Hi guys, today I'm here to tell you about the Luxi pillow. This pillow, actually two of them came with their mattress, and inside the Luxi mattress you will find two pillows. Now, I've been trying this pillow, and usually when I try pillows, I recycle them and try another set. It's really comfortable, it's really good for my neck, even my shoulders. I'm very happy with that. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't have a zipper, but I can tell you, you can see with your own eyes on the camera how soft it is, how it even reacts to the touch, and as I'm pushing down. So this is their standard memory foam pillow. Inside of it, there's polyurethane, viscoelastic 75% of that, and polyester fiber 25%, and I can also feel shredded foam inside. But all in all, it's really comfortable. Give it a try. You won't regret it. This is the Luxi pillow again.